Okay, in this video I'm going to show you just how to draw the outside edge of the ratchet wheel. If you need help with the keyway, I demonstrated how to draw a keyway in the Geneva Cam video that preceded this assignment. But if you need help with the outside of the ratchet wheel, I'm going to show you quickly how to draw that. So I'm going to start off and I'm going to turn on my construction layer. And I'm going to draw a circle with a diameter of 152 as shown in your text. So D, enter, 152, enter. And when I draw that, the circle is just really big. It's beyond the edges here. So let me zoom out. And then I get to this point where I can't see the whole circle. If this ever happens to you, let me show you a quick fix. Just anywhere on the screen, just start a line. So L, enter. And then just draw the line in any direction by a large amount. So I'm going to type in like 5,000 and then enter. And then I'm going to use the extents option of the zoom command. So I'm going to type in Z, enter for zoom. And extents, it zooms to the extents of whatever is drawn on the screen. So, you know, I drew this line like 5,000 units long because I wanted to be able to zoom out where the circle and the line would be in the drawing area. So basically kind of unlocking where I cannot zoom any further. So let me type in E, enter, and then you can see that it zooms to where the circle and the line is in the screen. So now I'm basically zoomed out to a level that I can work with, okay? I don't particularly like the location of my circle, so let me move it away from the crosshairs here. Okay, so I have my construction circle. Sorry for that long tangent in my explanation here. So now I want to switch to the visible layer, and from the center of the circle I'm just going to draw a line. It doesn't matter how long, as it's beyond the edge of the circle. And make sure that you have your polar tracking turned on to an angle, increment angle of 15 degrees. Again, you can change that here. Go to settings, make that increment angle 15 degrees. You can get there by right-clicking on the polar tracking box. Anyway, go here to the end of this line and then rotate around up to the 15 degrees. Okay, once you see that, you can left-click, and now you have lines spaced 15 degrees apart. And the reason I did that is because you're given a note on one of the portions of the ratchet wheel that says 24 by 15 degrees. Well, that's talking about 24 times 15 is 360. So there's 24 little teeth on this object, okay? So that's why I just drew this 15 degree line, okay? Now, this line, where it intersects the edge of the circle, I want to start a new line there. And once I've started that line, I want to type in PER for perpendicular. And then I want to snap to the perpendicular of this line. Okay, once I've done that, I think you can probably see what I'm trying to accomplish here. So TR, enter, enter. I'll click here, and then I want to erase this line. Okay, and now this line and this line are 90 degree angles, as it said it should be, because the note says 24 by 90 degrees. Okay, so now I want to use the array command, AR, enter. I want to select these two objects, enter, and I want to use a polar array. The center of the array will be the center of the construction circle, so I'll just click here. And by default, we get the 6 items, 60 degrees in between each item, and 360 degree fill, but we need 24 of these. So I'm going to change this item to 24. Again, this is on the array creation tab that started when I started the array command. And once I've done that, let me just click out of the box. I'll click here, and you can see it recalculates the between angle, which is now 15 degrees. Oh, you know what? I forgot to select the, let me undo that. Try that again, AR, enter. I forgot to select this line before, so I'll select both of those, enter. I want a polar array, center of the circle, and we want 24 of these. Okay, so now we see the preview like we want. We can just close the array. We'll turn off the construction layer, and there's the outside of your ratchet wheel. Again, I kind of like seeing these exploded, so I'll click on it and then type X and then enter, and it turns it into individual segments. Okay, so that's how you draw the outside edge. You can complete the rest of the object on your own, and that concludes this video.